Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change default editor to Notepad++ in WinSCP. Click Files. Click Edit, Configure. Click Add. Check External Editor. Click Browse. Click Program Files x86. Open Notepad++. Select Notepad++. Click OK. Select Notepad++. Move to top. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.